Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the AL329 and getting it network ready. Plug a stable 5V/2A supply, attach the Ethernet cable to your router, and insert any SIM card until it clicks. Once done, confirm the status LEDs, power steady, network blinking. You do this because a stable power and network state prevents connection drops during initial pairing. Next, press and hold the front button for 3 seconds to wake full communication mode. You're about to move into configuration. You now open the web interface or the app and sign in with default credentials. Navigate to Network Autolink and input the APN or static IP details. This ensures the AL329 can re-establish external links automatically. Set auto-relink to on and a 30-second retry interval so the unit doesn't storm the network. Once configured, save and reboot. While it restarts, watch the live logs to verify handshake messages appear. That confirms your settings work, and the device can perform its automatic link function. You finish by validating the link. Ping the remote endpoint and check latency. Anything under 200 ms is ideal. Enable email or push alerts for failed relink attempts and set logs to 7 days so you can review incidents. If the auto link doesn't establish, first verify APN and that the SIM has data and balance, then inspect firewall rules and NAT settings on your router. If still stuck, power cycle the modem and AL329. Often a reset clears session conflicts and restores automatic linking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.